हेलो, गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम टू टुडेज लाइव। सबसे पहले आप सभी को गणेश चतुर्थी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आई होप दिस फेस्टिवल ब्रिंग्स अस अ लॉट ऑफ लव, जॉय, हैप्पीनेस एंड जो हमारे विघ्न हैं 2020 के वो दूर कर दें। आज मैं जिस टॉपिक पे बात करने जा रही हूँ, इट इज अ टॉपिक क्लोज टू एवरीबॉडीज हार्ट बिकॉज 2020 में सबका दिमागी संतुलन काफी हिल चुका है। वी आर ऑल मेंटली इन सम वे और द अदर प्रीटी डिस्टर्ब। तो मैं आज अपने साथ ज्वाइन करने जा रही हूँ डॉक्टर अंजलि छाबरिया। शी इज इंडियाज लीडिंग साइकाइट्रिस्ट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, hypnotherapist and author of the book Death is Not the Answer. That is a book on prevention of suicide. So, without much ado, let me ask her to join in. Hi, how are you, Doctor?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. You're looking as beautiful as ever, Shiba.
Thank you, Aunt. You're always gorgeous. You never use makeup, but you look stunning any case. आज
Thank you.
गणपति है तो सबसे पहले let both of us we would like to wish everybody a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. I know I'm a tad overdressed for our chat, but Ganpati हमारे घर में, as you know, is a very festive occasion, and ये साल it's different for everybody. There's no guests and there's no hangama happening, but हम तो अपना करेंगे ना पूजा पाठ and
Sure, sure.
spirituality. So, Dr. Anju, would you like to say something to our audience before I begin with my Q&A?
No, I think we are all waiting for Ganesh ji to take away all the evils, and we are happy and we are sure that he is going to help us with it. So, very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you who are here. Wish you the best of health, and let's see how to make the rest of this year happy and healthy.
तो हम बात कर रहे थे you and me when we spoke about fitness and fitness of course सब body के बारे में सोचते हैं, but the most important fitness that we have to focus on before we even go down is from not neck down, it's neck up. Mental health
Absolutely.
and fitness. This year has been an upheaval for most of us. All of us, in some way or the other, are going through ups and downs. So, according to you, ये साल और पिछले साल में आपको क्या फर्क दिख रहा है in people's mental state?
See, I think the last 5 months have really taught us a lot, और कोई अच्छी अच्छी बातें भी लोगों ने सीखी हैं that we don't really need so many things to live with. We need few friends, we need good health, and we do not need to be going out and partying all the time. But the negative thing is that ये लॉकडाउन में और कोरोना ने हमें दो तीन चीजें सिखाई हैं। एक तो लॉकडाउन में आई थिंक पीपल हैव वन लर्न्ड टू सिट एट होम, बट उसमें लोगों को काफी इमोशनल हेल्थ हैज बीन अ लिटिल अप एंड डाउन. People have lost their sleep. 40% of the world has sleep disturbances. Some people have lost their livelihood. The others have also lost loved ones. तो हर एक का इमोशनल स्टेट थोड़ा सा अलग ही है. And a lot of people, regular people have been feeling a little up and down because of just one word, and that is uncertainty. Uncertainty कि क्या कब कैसे ठीक होगा, हमारा काम कब ठीक होगा, हमारी लाइफ कब ठीक होगी, and will this virus get us? And if it gets us, how are we going to react to it?
So, in this year, you've probably seen that this mental disturbance has happened to every age group, starting from, I guess, pre-kindergarten wale bacche who don't even understand what exactly is going on. So, tell me how this year has affected younger kids. Let's talk preschool and KG
So,
kids because
so
excessive ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन चल रही है तो आपको क्या लगता है उनको क्या कैसे हैंडल करें, क्या डील
देखिए
करें?
देखिए द पॉजिटिव पार्ट इज कि ये जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैड नॉट इवन सीन देयर पेरेंट्स फॉर सो लॉन्ग. अभी उनके घर में उनके पेरेंट्स भी साथ में हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी साथ में हैं. सब उनको बहुत प्यार दे रहे हैं, बहुत अटेंशन दे रहे हैं. मगर साथ साथ में एक थोड़ा सा डर ये बच्चों की तरफ भी आता है, बिकॉज व्हेन दे रियलाइज कि द एडल्ट्स अराउंड देम आर फीलिंग एंग्शियस, उनको भी काफी एंजाइटी होती है। प्लस ये जो पढ़ाई, वो अपने फ्रेंड से नहीं मिल सकते हैं। कोई बच्चा बाहर जाने के लिए कहता भी है तो उससे माँ डांटती है, बोलती है नो 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 डोंट गेट आउट, कोरोना इज आउटसाइड। तो ये जो कोरोना का भूत जिससे बच्चे डर रहे हैं, और जब हमने स्टार्टिंग ऑफ लॉकडाउन वी हैड सीन दोज व्हाट्सएप वीडियोस व्हिच वर बीइंग फॉरवर्डेड, नहीं 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 मम्मा मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना है, कोरोना है। एक्चुअली दैट वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंजाइटी ऑफ दीज किड्स। ये बच्चे दूसरे बच्चों से मिल नहीं रहे हैं, एंड एज यू नो इट, ये जो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में जो उनका स्क्रीन टाइम है वो काफी बढ़ गया है। सो इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो द पेरेंट्स हुआ अराउंड देम, एक तो उनके साथ जो भी आप घर में खेल सकते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कीप द एनवायरनमेंट लाइट। आप अपना एंजाइटी कम करेंगे, सो डेफिनेटली आपके बच्चों को भी कम एंजाइटी होगी। द अदर थिंग इज फिजिकल गेम्स, and those of us who can, who have pets. Shiba, you have a lot of pets. You know what pets can do for children.
Yes.
So if we can show our children how to care for someone else, that
Hmm.
itself will help. But restrict the screen time. You can teach your children in other ways. हर एक चीज आपको स्क्रीन पे दिखा के नहीं सिखानी है,
नहीं, पर आप
स्पेशली फॉर
डर
दैट
तो
एज ग्रुप।
हैं, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस कम दिखाइए, लेकिन राइट नाउ इवन टीनेजर्स हैं या अडल्ट्स, इवन
यस,
grown up people, they are going through extraordinarily stressful times. So how do they help themselves before helping someone else? जैसे प्लेन्स में बोलते हैं कि ऑक्सीजन पहले अपने आप पे लगाइए एंड देन हेल्प योर नेबर, बिकॉज अगर मैं खुद
एब्सोल्युटली,
इतनी डिप्रेस्ड हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों को कैसे हेल्प करूँ? एंड मेरी डिप्रेशन इज रियल बिकॉज आई हैव मनी इश्यूज, आई हैव senior citizens in the house, I have kids who are constantly online and they're bickering, and the house is small, there's no space to play. आप बोल रही है फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करिए, लेकिन जाए कहाँ? We can't go out, we're stuck within walls, and 99% of the population has really small homes. So how do they
एब्सोल्युटली।
help?
सो द फैक्ट इज कि देखिए, एक चीज मैंने सबको शुरू में बताई थी, दैट व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग इज टू से थैंक गॉड आई एम अलाइव। Okay, क्योंकि there are so many people who are battling for life, you know. The second thing is say thank God I'm in my own house, I'm not in a hospital. And the third thing I want to remind all those people who are feeling locked down because of lockdown is say whether it is the doctors, whether it is the policemen, they are the ones who are out there, and their life is in danger because of us. So, first of all, we need to calm ourselves down. Yes, we have
Can you
financial
give us
stress.
some coping strategies to calm ourselves down?
Yes. So, we need to, one is divide our day into five.
Fine.
Okay. The first thing is whatever work you need to do. So, agar aap, if you're a housewife and you need to take care of your house, you need to cook breakfast, lunch, dinner, वो आप एक हिस्से में खत्म कर दीजिए. Okay. The second part is if you want to learn something new, आपको लैंग्वेज सीखनी है, यू आर एक्चुअली थिंकिंग कि what is it that I can do now? How can I use my time effectively to see if my skill can even maybe become a part-time job? Okay, that is the second part of the day. The third part of the day, you should, connect with people. क्या होता है when we connect with our friends, when we connect with our loved ones, we also come to know कि ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ हमारी नहीं है, पूरी दुनिया की ये प्रॉब्लम है.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are all in it together.
Correct.
Okay, the fourth is do something for someone else. Okay, so that means कि even if you are going to buy, if you're a young person, अगर आप grocery लेने जा रहे हैं, just ask your neighbors कि can I do something for you? Okay, आपकी कोई old auntie is staying somewhere all alone, pick up the phone, talk to her. When you make someone else happy, you
Feel
definitely feel
well.
happier yourself, you know.
Tell
You
me
can water a plant.
how
Yes,
do I distinguish between a person having a mental illness and a mental disturbance? मतलब मैं कैसे पहचानूं कि मेरे घर वालों में से कोई is genuinely now requires intervention or this is just a disturbance? Are there some signs that point us to?
sure. Yes. So what happens is a lot of people during this time have become irritable. कोई बहुत चुप हो गए हैं, कोई बहुत ज्यादा बात कर रहे हैं, कोई गुस्सा दिखा रहे हैं. You know, as I said, 40% of the world has lost its sleep. Okay. तो हमें क्या देखना है कि is it a temporary problem और are we saying कि यही, you know, everybody else कि कोई कभी गुस्सा कर रहा है, कोई उदास हो रहा है, but there is this one person who has stopped talking, who has stopped coming out of the room, who is just locked up, who is not sleeping properly at night, who is sleeping through the day, who is not eating properly. Okay,
So
now
this is
अगर ये
the disturbance.
no, that's what I'm saying. So if something is going on for a short time, it is a disturbance. But if something is continuing to go on and on, you know, then it could become an illness. Okay. And जैसे कोई भी चीज में अगर आज किसी को बुखार होगा, so the first thing we will do is check the temperature, call up the doctor, okay, and find out कि ये कोरोना तो नहीं है, ये क्या बुखार है, ये मलेरिया तो नहीं है. Similarly, इफ अ पर्सन अगर आपको लग रहा है कि जो डिस्टर्बेंस है वो ऑनगोइंग हो रही है, सो इवन बिफोर इट बिकम्स एन इलनेस, you should pick up the phone and you should have an online consultation with either a psychologist or a psychiatrist, whoever you can find in, you know, आजकल online आपको सब numbers मिल जाते हैं, because it is better to catch a problem small before it becomes very big.
हाउ डू आजकल बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स मैं नोट कर रही हूँ मेरे खुद के सर्कल में एंजाइटी अटैक्स हो रहे हैं व्हिच आई रिकॉग्नाइज एज अ पैनिक और एन एंजाइटी अटैक. दे गेट शॉर्ट ऑफ ब्रेथ, दे स्टार्ट
Right.
गेटिंग somewhere at the back of their neck, and because of my yoga training I'm recognizing it that he is going through an anxiety attack which he is not recognizing. How what is the cure for that?
सो आई थिंक द फर्स्ट थिंग इज एंजाइटी में क्या होता है, एंजाइटी अटैक जब भी आती है, द पर्सन नीड्स टू बी काम डाउन बाय पीपल अराउंड हिम. ओके, so it is very important that others around him are calm, are allowing his attack to go up and come down without reacting too much. Okay, make the person sit in one place, hold his hand, do not say anything. Okay, wait for the
But
attack to
people feel
subside.
फिजियोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ब्रेथ, मेरी सांस नहीं आ रही, मेरी सांस बंद हो रही, मतलब इज इट
Right,
जेन्युइनली बंद हो
right.
रही?
तो क्या होता है कि एंजाइटी के बहुत सारे मैनिफेस्टेशंस होते हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीदिंग. सेकेंड इज कि आपका जो पल्स है वो बहुत ज्यादा फास्ट रेस करता है. Some people have anxiety in their stomach. They need to run to the loo a few times. Some of them feel like vomiting. Okay. So there are different manifestations of anxiety. So if you're sitting next to a window, just open, let some fresh air come in, and let the person be sitting over there, and one person just hold his hand till he calms down. Okay.
Does it
उसके
require
बाद,
mental health,
does it require, sorry?
medical intervention? A person
So,
don't panic
yeah, yes. So once the attack has calmed down, that is the time you need to take an appointment with a doctor, okay, to find out कि ये anxiety क्यों हुई है. Okay, there are simple interventions.
a
आजकल
regular
क्या हुआ that
he would be able to diagnose anxiety and panic?
yes, a regular GP will be able to diagnose it. But what I want you to do is, if you need medicines, it is better to go to a psychiatrist for medicines and not just keep popping in anti-anxiety pills or sleeping pills. Okay, because it has to be cured. It does not have to just be suppressed.
नहीं तो you were saying 40% of the population currently is having sleep apnea or sleep issues or uh, so
Hmm.
do you across the board tell everybody to take something to sleep?
Not at all. Not at all. What we need to do is something which is called a sleep hygiene. Just as you have dental hygiene, there is something called a sleep hygiene. अभी sleep hygiene में हमें करना क्या है? that the bed should be used only for sleeping. What do I mean by that? I mean कि as soon as you wake up, please get out of bed. Even if people's houses are small, even
हाँ,
if you have a 1 BHK, you sit on the floor and work. Do not work on your bed. Okay. The second thing is, a lot of people are just eating on their bed. Their sleep timings have gone all over the place. They're drinking too much caffeine to keep awake, and then they're drinking alcohol or taking sleeping pills to go to sleep, both of which we should avoid. And the best thing is something that you excel in is exercise.
correct.
Whether it is yoga, whether it is jogging, whether it is cycling, anything. Do some form of exercise and do it at a time that suits you.
So,
So
correlation between physical fitness and mental fitness. Is there a correlation?
absolutely, absolutely. There's a superb correlation because it's only when you feel emotionally fit that you can, invest in physical fitness. And
Isn't it a
when you
22? Because you'll be fit, so you'll feel
बिल्कुल
mentally good. If you're mentally good, you'll be fit.
बिल्कुल
है ना?
बिल्कुल so that is exactly what happens. So
हाँ,
one has to, it's absolutely related to each other, you know
हाँ,
and
correct.
exercise is it's actually begins over here, doesn't it, Shiba? It's only
Absolutely.
when you think. You can't just get up and start exercising. And the more you exercise, the much better you feel. And everybody can choose whatever exercise that they would like to do.
So you feel that in order to maintain mental fitness, we must also be physically fit. And when you say physically fit, you're not saying mote ho jao ya patle ho jao. You're just saying be active. Spend an hour of me time where you're giving yourself time and uh, activity to burn out that excessive energy that is, disturbing
Absolutely.
your brain.
Absolutely. And what we should also do is, people, as you said earlier, that, where do people go? The good thing is that people are allowed now to go out jogging, running, cycling. And you can also just put on a YouTube video in your house and start dancing. Put on some nice music and just start moving. The more you move, the better you will feel. And just choose your activity for the day. Today, I feel like doing a class of yoga. I can put on a YouTube yoga video and see it, you know. So
Okay,
choose your
now I
activity.
come to you with depression, and you actually do put me on some antidepressants. How long can I take them, and how easy is it to get addicted to any kind of medication?
So see, what happens is there's only one type of medicine that people get addicted to, and that is the benzodiazepines. And actually, psychiatrists avoid benzodiazepines. If you are on a treatment for depression, आपकी depression की treatment is only going to last you maybe for a couple of weeks to a couple of months, unless the depression is going on for many, many years. So that's when the mistake that people make is when they start feeling better, they just stop the medicine. This
Huh.
is something that we must not do. You
Okay.
must follow up with the doctor. You must, just take his
Follow
advice
the
and
protocol
do not
and
stop. Yes, do not stop medicine on your own. And then of
and
course there are other
half of US
disorders.
their life on Prozac. It's just like a feel happy medication, I guess. So, will a prolonged use of an antidepressant uh, give me some other medical issues?
So what happens is if people take it on their own, unsupervised, okay, the whole point is when you go to meet any doctor, if someone has diabetes, you go and meet your diabetologist once in a few months, once in 3 months, and he will alter your dose accordingly. Same way with a psychiatrist. One should not just keep taking medicines. One should not prescribe medicines for themselves or for others just because, you know the names. So,
Okay.
and of course, there are certain people who may need medicine for a long time. And the worst thing we can do for such a person is tell them कि नहीं नहीं तुम दवाई मत खाओ, तुम्हारी दवाई से तुमको एडिक्शन हो जाएगी. We don't know. Will we stop somebody's
I've seen that
chemotherapy?
happen. Strangely, I have seen that happen a lot when somebody says, "My doctor gave me medication for depression." I've had friends samne say, "No, no, I had the same thing and it got over on its own. Don't. You'll get addicted." Are they addicted? Are
Not
antidepressants?
at all. Not at all. So, the thing is, what people do is because there's so many myths about mental illness and the treatment. That's why these things happen. So we need more and more educated people like you to spread the word that these are myths and we should allow the psychiatrist to take care of the patients, because what happens is if you stop someone's medicine and that person's depression gets worse, and you know what is the side effect of depression? Side effect of depression is suicide. Tomorrow, if you hear that your friend attempted suicide or committed suicide, you're not going to forgive yourself because you were the one, that person was on medication, that person was on treatment, and you were the one who stopped it. So I think we should not interfere. And of course, if you're concerned about your friend, go with your friend to the doctor and find out ki, I'm finding my friend very drowsy. Is it because of the medicine? Is there something we can do to help them?
Is there such a thing as second-hand depression? Can I get depression from other family members or friends? Can it start reflecting in my mental state as well? Or is there a medical word for that?
Yes, yes. So there is something which is also called as caregiver stress. When a person is taking care of somebody, okay, they can get affected by it. Okay, and that is why we recommend one person to have multiple caregivers, but the responsibility should be divided in such a way. So,
नहीं,
for
but
example,
your family में multiple कैसे हो सकते हैं? One goes off to work, one goes off to school, and there's just that one person taking care of, for example, you know,
a
the
spouse,
depressed person, a spouse,
right?
sorry.
A spouse, for example. No, but even the caregiver, okay,
Mhm.
can actually, the good thing about India is that we have lots of people who are willing to help.
Correct.
Okay, so A, we should not keep it a secret. B, we should tell people you should take your own me time also. I tell all caregivers that only if you're all right will you be able to take care of the person. So, whether it is your singing, your dancing, whatever you like to do, please go ahead and do it and get the other family members. Once they come back from work, maybe one person could be having dinner with the person while the caregiver, takes off and does something else. Or friends can be involved, family can be involved, siblings can be involved. So it's important that we share the responsibility and we no longer think of mental illness as shameful. Just as when Corona started, people were so scared. They almost felt that I don't know क्या करके हमें Corona हुआ, and people would not
नहीं,
talk
अभी भी
about
नहीं.
it.
If there is in the family, if somebody has it or something, अभी भी छुपाते हैं. I don't know why. Randomly, you are infecting other people by just not telling people and roaming around freely. You are I don't know, ये एक mentality है कि नहीं, किसी को मत बोलो. Like हम डॉक्टर अंजलि के पास जाते हैं, but किसी को मत बोलो क्योंकि लोग हमको पागल समझेंगे. It's a old myth कि if you go to a head doctor
बिल्कुल,
means you're
बिल्कुल,
naturally crazy or something. ये
बिल्कुल,
एक
बिल्कुल. It's
पुराना
like
ख्याल है जो अभी भी
this is something that we need to remove, the stigma of
yeah,
any disorder, of any illness, whether it is corona or whether it is depression.
correct.
Talk about it, get help for it, and please don't gossip about it, because this becomes, अरे उसके घर में कोरोना है, उसके हस्बैंड को डिप्रेशन है, she is like that, उसी के लिए उसको डिप्रेशन हुआ होगा. We can't blame. अगर किसी को मलेरिया होता है, you can't say अरे उसके घर में मच्छर है. Same way, people can fall sick and people can also, anybody can get any mental illness. It is only a hormonal imbalance. किसी को भी हो
I am
सकता है, मुझे भी हो
going to
सकता है.
come to the teenagers who are anyway moody before corona, after corona, because their age, that 12 to 19 वाला एक age group होता है
Yes.
जो इंतहाई moody होता है. They're locked in the room all the time, and they're rude to their parents. And now, how do you differentiate if that child is going through some kind of depression or is just normal teenage angst happening in his life?
Right. So see, teenage angst को क्यों angst बोलते हैं? Because they have a lot of confusion. They are growing up from a child to an adult. Sometimes they are 30 years old in their head, sometimes they are 3 years old. Okay. So although a lot of them go through mood swings, effective communication between the parent and child, you know, I have seen how you communicate to both your boys, and I think I'm quite proud of you because you treat them as adults, you give them their space. But at the same time, if you notice that a teenager is continuously reversing his hours of sleep, is not eating properly, is not wanting to interact with anybody, has low self-esteem, and looks at themselves कि नहीं, I don't want to go out क्योंकि मैं बहुत मोटा हूँ, मैं बहुत काला हूँ, whatever it is.
Average teenager. I think all these things that you just said is an average teenager behaves like that only. उन सोते
Right.
टाइम पे सारी रात जागे होते हैं, खाने के टाइम उनके उल्टे हैं, दे वेरी uncommunicative. Uh, so मतलब you just how what is that thin line that will tell me कि it's an illness, not a disturbance?
So it depends on how they are socio-occupationally. Matlab, do they have friends? Are they connecting with their friends? A lot of teenagers may not want to connect with their parents, but they connect with their friends and they are
Okay.
able to maintain their studies. You
हाँ.
know, they are able to maintain कि they're studying well, they're getting proper grades. So you know that they are doing okay. Okay. But again, we should still try and communicate with them, whether it is that half a minute they give you, by asking them whether they are okay, whether they are physically okay, and whether they are mentally okay. That is something that we must do.
What about the geriatric generation that all of us live with our in-laws or parents, and it is a very confusing time for senior citizens as well. I
Right.
actually had mother-in-law say to me in the house कि मैं तो मेरी फ्रेंड से बात कर रही थी और मैंने उससे बोला कि पता नहीं अब हम ये मिल पाएंगे कि नहीं अब because as you know I haven't been letting my mother-in-law out of the house at all
Right. Right.
बिकॉज हमें
Right.
डर
Right.
लगता है मतलब अनलॉक हो गया है हमारा कंट्री लेकिन एक्चुअली डिजीज तो खत्म हुई नहीं है क्योर तो मिला है नहीं तो हम रैंडमली घूम तो सकते नहीं है तो
Right.
अभी भी डर लगता है टू लेट देम आउट और टू लेट पीपल कम टू क्लोज टू देम सो व्हाट अबाउट देयर मेंटल स्टेट
So geriatrics, a lot of people are really suffering emotionally. I mean, your mother-in-law is lucky that she's living in a house with you, but there are a lot of them who are living all by themselves, and not only do they have to take care of their physical needs, but they also have to take care of each other, where there are couples living together, and a lot of them are scared that they will A, get corona if they get out of the house, B, may not be able to even see outside again, and
yeah
C, they feel that this is the way their life is going to be. So,
correct
what I request all our viewers today is that please do not give them negative news of corona all the time.
पर खुद ही
Talk to
न्यूज
them.
देते हैं क्या करेंगे
Yes, but when
एक
you
दुख की
talk to them,
नहीं है आजकल
yes, but when you talk to them, talk about happy things.
हाँ
Talk to them, play games with them. Like whenever I talk to my mom, being a doctor, I have to be, I can't even meet her as much as I want to. So when
करेक्ट
I talk to her, I play Antakshari with her. I play all sorts of funny things with her. So keep them entertained. Make sure they are exercising. A lot of senior citizens have stopped exercising. So I saw that lovely video of yours where you were making mother-in-law exercise, and
yes
I would want everyone to do that. Okay. And also make sure they're drinking enough water and eating properly. Give them their vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin C, so that because if they're not getting out, they're not getting sunlight. So I think this is how we need to keep. And of course, if somebody is not getting sleep and is really getting very depressive, then take the help of a psychiatrist. There are some mild antidepressants
अभी now
which
you
will
know my
make them
husband.
feel good.
You know my husband, he doesn't sleep at night, but he's not a depressive person at all. So what would I do with somebody like him? मतलब उनको रात को नींद आती ही नहीं है. He's just
Yeah, but
wakeful because he's a very creative person, but his nocturnal cycle is upside down. So what do you say? And mostly, you're saying right now, mostly people are awake at night. So what do you do with
right.
like that,
No,
which doesn't
so
intervention?
as long as people are getting 6 to 7 hours of sleep, and if their work is around it, that's a different story.
That's okay. Yes,
That's
that's
a
absolutely
different story. Yeah.
okay.
But if people are not getting sleep and they are drowsy through the day and they're not being able to function,
Right,
then those are people who will need some kind of intervention,
right,
whether it is a medicine just to help their sleep cycle get better, okay, or whether it is working on their sleep hygiene. So what I tell people is if you need to sleep early. You can't sleep early, but you can start waking up half an hour earlier so that you can reverse you can get your sleep cycle back.
Is there such a thing as a happy diet? Are there certain foods that will elevate my mental state? Is there something that
See,
you would tell your patients or people who come to you, ki start eating cleaner or eat more greens, or is there something like that?
so I always recommend, first of all, people not to keep checking their weights and not to keep getting onto diets. Okay. But in fact, unless you have a medical problem that you need to be on a diet for. Okay. But getting obsessed with food or getting obsessed with diet is the first no-no. The second thing is to ensure that you drink enough water. Keep a bottle of water with you all the time. Yes. Keep a bottle of water with you all the time and keep drinking enough water. Two is eat your meals. I think, having enough of salad, enough of fruit, eating your breakfast is extremely important, you know. And of course, getting your dry fruits in between, whatever you can. Eat limited quantity, eat good food, okay, and try and get a mix of, greens, reds, different colors in your diet.
It all
If you
helps
do that,
your mental state, correct?
absolutely, absolutely, because when people fast, a lot of people are into different types of fasting these days. Okay,
Uh,
not necessary for religious reasons.
Intermittent fasting
So,
is the biggest thing right
absolutely,
breakfast तो कोई खाता ही
absolutely.
नहीं अब
Absolutely. So what happens is if your blood glucose level is down, okay, you can get extremely irritable, and because of that, you start getting snappy, you're irritable, you feel low. So it may not suit everybody. People get headaches, they're not able to function. So I think it's important to maintain a balanced diet,
for your mental.
and if absolutely, for both your physical and your mental health, because body and mind are not two separate compartments. They are in one. One will affect the other, you know, any which way.
Finally, having a very close group of friends is really good for my mental state. Like we always say, our friends are the unpaid psychiatrists that we help. Because if you have a circle where you're able to vent constantly, आप बातें करते रहो अच्छी और बुरी और अपने बारे में अपने प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में तो ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत सारी हीलिंग हो जाती है डोंट यू थिंक
Absolutely. And it's very important to share your deepest, darkest secrets. So you need people who you can just talk anything. They're not going to judge you, they're not going to comment on you, and they're not going to gossip about you. But
बट
talking
इवन
about,
टू फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं कहती हूँ कि हाँ ठीक है गॉसिप करने दो पर
I was,
मेरा दिल हल्का हो गया ना
yes. And gossiping is very good for health, by the way. So when you just gossip with someone, you just feel good about it. Of course, I mean it should not be hurting someone, but
नो
otherwise, if you pick up the phone and gossip up, you feel good about it, and
एंड
you feel happy.
what about things like herbal teas and massages and all these things help your mental state correct
So, there is something which is called as stress. Okay.
हाँ
Now, when we tend to get stressed, what happens is our body becomes extremely tight. Okay,
हाँ
our muscles get caught up because when you're stressed, what you're doing is you're sitting and thinking and you're overthinking and you're overanalyzing. And because you're doing that, you will find that, you're not really moving too much. And because of that, there is too much stress. Now, of course, massages help you to relax, and when
like
you are,
lymphatic drainage massage
yes, 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 because there is movement in the body.
हाँ
There is not too much of accumulation. Okay,
correct
so stress में वो काम करेगा, but if you're going towards distress and depression, then it is better to take the treatment, whatever your doctor says,
conjunction
and
with holistic approach.
yes, yes, yes,
If
yes,
I need to see you, for example, I will use it as a holistic approach and side by side I'll do my yoga and my pranayam, but I will take my
yes,
medication and eat a healthy diet and get a wholesome approach to mental health.
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, so thank you for all that. That was a lot of medical knowledge that we got today. Now I'm going to go to you, Anjali, the woman, as opposed to Anjali, the doctor. who gives you mental health?
So when I'm not working, I'm just a normal person, you know that. Okay. So I am a daughter, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a friend, you know. So that's what helps me to
How
stay,
does doctor
rooted.
help?
Sorry?
How does a doctor cure herself?
No, of course, I talk to friends. I talk to a lot of friends. If I have a problem, if I'm getting anxious about anything, I try and get down to what is making me anxious, whether I can solve it or whether I cannot solve it. If I can solve it, I will do whatever I can to solve it. And if it is something which is not in my control, then the only word is accept and try and accept it, further.
नहीं,
And
but
I think once you do that,
constantly speaking to depressed people, सारा दिन आपके साथ लोग अपनी problems की बात करते हैं, तो don't you start absorbing that stress?
no, see, I think I've been doing this now for almost 30 years. And what makes me happy is when I see other people getting benefited, So for every two people who will give me stress on that particular day, there are also two others who are telling me how they are feeling better.
Feel better.
So I guess that is something that helps me to go on.
So have you ever needed medication to calm down?
Maybe once in a while. I mean, I think when I went through, I must talk to you about this also.
Hmm.
Postpartum, I started feeling extremely moody. I was wondering what is happening to me, and I spoke to my doctor about it. So, postpartum is a very, very important time for women, especially,
Yes.
you know. So, at that time, the doctor told me, saying, would you like to take something? I said, sure, if it's going to help me. Why not? I think I took a week or two of medication and I was back fine again.
Okay.
So, but
So it's
after that,
that you, but you recognize it that you are going through postpartum and you need medical intervention. You because you're,
right,
I guess, doctor, so you yourself started recognizing that something's not quite right over here.
right,
Most
right,
people don't recognize it, and we must tell everybody watching कि अगर आपके घर में ऐसे लोग हैं, there is no shame in picking up the phone and speaking to a doctor, finding the right doctor for you, and going for help because that could
right.
save a life and your life. It's like a normal
Absolutely.
doctor's appointment. मतलब आपको दर्द होगा तो आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे. तो अगर आप मेंटली फील करें थोड़ा भी कि मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि कभी कभार just go to a psychiatrist and sit down for an hour. Therapeutically you feel so much cleansed.
Right, right.
Mind ये हो जाता है आप जाके किसी से abroad, Dr. Anju, people tend to do that, right?
No,
They
no,
have
here also people do that. Here also people do that. In fact, there are two types of people who see me. One is when they are going through a difficult time, and the second is when they are going through a disorder. you
yeah,
know so
yeah,
it's quite, I mean, people are opening up these days, people are talking, but of course we are still at the tip of the iceberg.
yeah. There's still that थोड़ा सा वो shame निकल
Hesitancy hota hai. Hmm.
नहीं वो shame है थोड़ी कि नहीं मैं
Hmm.
डॉक्टर के पास जा रही मैं पागल थोड़ी हूँ. But yeah, it's
I'm not
getting
weak, huh? I'm not
yeah,
weak that I need someone else, you know
yeah. Tell me
yeah,
about it.
I'm strong. So I tell people, I said, even the strongest of people get COVID, right?
So give
So the
me, you
same
tell me
way.
your top five things that help you relax at the end of a very stressful day as we're winding down.
uh, So, of course, yoga is something that I try and do, and that has really kept me going through
Hmm.
lockdown. And, just maybe chatting with friends is something that helps me. Okay, being a normal mother and a normal wife is something which is very important because it keeps you grounded. Okay, and music is something that really
Yeah,
helps me, and walking. I keep walking through the day. So that
okay.
is something that helps.
Calms you down. Now,
Yeah,
quickly,
yeah,
will you
yeah.
give us all? I've never seen you put on any makeup. Like, I've known you more than 2 decades, and your skin is always glowing. Even right now, your skin is like all pink and shiny and looking really good. Do you have a skin secret to share with us? It's Saturday Skin Secret Day.
Well, I think I have a lot of water, as I told
Huh?
and maybe I just moisturize my face. That's all I do,
That's
and
the extent of your
of
skincare.
And of course, these days, the biggest makeup that we all need to do is this when we
Oh,
go out,
perfect, perfect.
and this is for work time. So that is the makeup now that we all need to do, because till the vaccine comes, we need to remember SMS. We all know what is SMS. So first S is for social distancing, M is for mask, and S is for sanitizing, you
Oh
know.
wow, I love that.
So,
आज का फंडा, सैटरडे का फंडा है एसएमएस, social distancing, masks and sanitizing. And on that note, I am going to say bye to you. Thank you so much for spending this very lovely time with us today. And everybody, इसका लिंक आपको मेरे YouTube पे and IGTV पे मिल जाएगा. Any other questions? Dr. Anjali Chhabria, Mind Temple is available online, and please reach out to her if you feel you or anybody around you need any help at all.
thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Bye.
Bye bye.